We want to make sure that you're optimizing for your local patients first. And the way that you do that is to make sure that you have correct directory information all across the web. And the secret here is even on websites that you've never heard of before. So you might be taking a look at this thinking, I haven't heard of local database or easy local. Like, why do these even matter? They matter because Google looks at them and Google is the evil empire. Okay. So you need to make sure that you have the correct information across the board. So in this particular instance, this practice name is 3 Points Wellness, Weight Loss, and Laser Sculpting. As you can see, like there's a lot of different variations of their business name here. They rebranded over the years. They changed locations. So all of that old data is still existing out there. So what's happening is that Google is taking a look at this saying, I don't really know what the hell your practice name is. I don't know your address. Like all of this is really messed up. So the main goal here, and this really does require a piece of technology, like as a human, it is very painstaking to go through 65 different directory listings and optimize them individually with keywords, the right information. So this does require a piece of technology that really just does the work for you. It's not expensive. We include it within the majority of our packages. All of our clients have it. So it just is a part of something that makes your website more trustworthy on a localized level. And again,